Hello fellow model railroaders, this is part 3 of my train table. This is my drawing I printed out, so I'm working on making my pylons. I did a little more work on these over the night. Got them finished up look like this, and now I'm doing this to make that look good. Well, what I've been doing is putting a spot of glue on it, upside down, well actually, thusly. Stick it on, turn it over, put it in a clamp. Because of it being heavy, I have to modify that. And then let it sit for a few minutes so I can move it. Not looking too bad. And I've got some sitting over here drying. These are all off of my drawing. I made that part. Let's tell me where the spacers are going to go in between. I use anything to take and put it together with. There's my drawing. Here's one opening put together. There's the section I built. Let's run one of the cars back. Ah, it goes under. Good. It's been several days, actually several nights, and I got it to look like that. Still have more to do, but it's looking better. Saturday morning. Everybody knows how long that is. Wow. Have to build on site. Okay, that's what it looks like in the location. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. So many colors to choose from. Oh, I think I'll use this one. There she is. All I got left is touch up.